Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I don't have much time this evening. I had to work longer hours today, so I'm going to jump in here and do a short one. And it's going to be purple. Purple. Just purple. I'm going to do a mica texture blow dryer thing in purple. Haven't done that yet. And see how it turns out. This purple is actually Craft Smart purple mixed with Anita's metallic white. And I had mixed some Floetrol in with it, and then I ended up adding some of the GAC and the Floetrol pouring medium that I had mixed up that was already pre-mixed. So these are also a little bit thinner. So this is really thin because this is the Dioxazine purple that I mixed up last week that had the GAC and the pouring medium in it. So I have two different consistencies here pretty much because I don't really want to water that down a whole lot more. But I do want to blow it with a blow dryer and see what happens. So I'm going to just kind of dump some of this on there. And then I think just go in on top of that with some of that thin. The thin is the Liquitex Dioxazine purple. So I'm going to hit it with the blow dryer and see what happens. May put some more of this right in the middle because I'm not real happy with that big blob of purple right there. And see if we get some texture out of this with it this thin. So it's kind of a what if. So I will mute the blow dryer. Well, that did not go as planned. It pretty much turned into a blow dryer pour because it was too thin. But man, those purples go great together, and I like just the two of them. I just wish I hadn't put so much of this, but I hate to just now go in and pour more of the lighter color right in on top of it, because I'm afraid that it will just be a big blob again. So maybe if I do it that way, to just break it up just a little bit, and this just a little, because I dearly love that part, and this up here. So hang with me a second. Got a problem here. This is stickier because of the Liquitex gloss medium and varnish being in it, and I have blown the paint now till I have a bare couple of 3 or 4 bare spots. So if you all do this, don't do that like I just did. Don't keep blowing for so long. I forgot about that gloss medium and varnish being so sticky because it is varnish. And I'm wondering too now if when this dries, if it will have texture instead of drying flat like it does when I just mix it with Floetrol. So I've got all my edges covered now. Well, not this corner. Get that corner covered with some of that darker purple. And I'm going to do this. It's a clean towel. I mean, it's a clean puppy pad, bed pad, so shouldn't hurt anything. I just don't want bare canvas showing. I like the movement in it. I think it's pretty. There's another place, couple places right there that look bare. That's really bumming me out. Wondering if the paint's already splitting because of me using the blow dryer and all that air, and it having a tendency to split anyway and crack. So that's how it turned out. See if I can give you all kind of a close-up look. And I'm going to take it upstairs and let it dry, hopefully overnight, and I can post this tomorrow and you all can see what I ended up with. So this is definitely an experiment, but man, that is so pretty up in there. That's gorgeous. So hang on a second, I'll give you a close-up. So this is how it looks from my perspective. Of course, it's not quite as dark to my eyes as it is in the camera, but it may dry this dark, so you may end up seeing it at the end dried about this same shade. I just don't know. I do have my blinds open down here in the basement with a little natural light coming in. I think that is helping to keep from having that brownish look that I was getting before, I think off of those bulbs that I had put in my lights. So definitely have a lot of movement. I'm not sure I've got the mica texture so much. I mean, it looks kind of like it, and This up here to me is just wonderful. Love that. So we'll see how it dries. Thank you so much for watching. Come back and join me again sometime.